All right, y'all. Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Tuesday, June 2nd, and as you see by the title, yes, I took a loss. Now today it was kind of a roller coaster. So I took three trades actually today. Three trades, two break evens, and one loss. Right. Honestly, bro, the first trade I felt like that's what caused me to take my second and third trade, and my second trade was a loss. And I feel like the way the first trade happened, it happened just to turn out like I got a break even. It was a bad break even, and that made me like I don't want to say over trade, but take a dumb setup in my second setup, and I ended up losing. And my third setup I thought it was valid as well too, and I got break even on that one as well. But yeah, guys, like it was this today's loss was just so not today's break even was just so unfortunate. So let me go ahead and get into it, y'all. Let me go ahead and get into it. So today I was bullish, right? I was only bullish because during pre-market we had swept London and created SMT, right? Swept London, created SMT, and then ES ended up taking London as well. So I was leaning more towards bullish, right? And this orange line right here is the 50% mark of previous day's range. So I'm gonna start incorporating this a lot more because I've noticed that whenever I want to take a long or a short, so like for example today, we manipulated down below the 50% range, tapped these hourlies, and then boom, it was perfect. And literally, I called this to a T from this morning. I said, I want to see us at open, come down, manipulate lower, tap these gaps, get below the 50% range. After we do that, get a nice inversion and target these highs, which is I think previous day high. And I was even thinking to target just like a gap or something. I forgot what I was gonna target. My targets. Um, oh, I know what it was. I remember it was equal highs. Let me see if I can find them. Was it these equal highs? Fuck, I forgot what equal highs it was. It might have been on the 5 minute low key. On the one, I don't remember. I don't know. I don't remember, guys. I did this. I'm doing this trade recap at 3 o'clock. I was kind of pissed this morning. I didn't feel like doing it today. I want to take a breather, go to the gym, do what I got to do, and then get back on. Right. Um, where are those equal highs at? I know there was equal highs for summer that I was targeting. Unless maybe I'm tripping. I don't know. I could have sworn there was equal highs. Anyways, I went long and yeah, I got break even. My target was like I think 80. Oh, right here. I think it was these, right? No. Why am I even like trying, bro? I don't even know where they're at. Anyways, there was equal highs somewhere. I don't remember where, but yeah, at open we manipulated down, swept out London, and this was literally pitch perfect right here. What's these? Oh, it was these equal highs right here. I knew I wasn't tripping. These equal highs, these 5 minute right here. So I was gonna get my profits at these equal highs, right? I wasn't gonna hold to previous day high, even though that was my overall draw today. That was my overall draw. Was previous day high, which was up here. But I just wanted to get my profits, right? 5 minute inversion, boom, target about 50 points, just a 1-to-1, right? So at open, we manipulated down, created this 5 minute gap, manipulated down, boom, 5 minute inversion. I got in right here, right? Got in right here. Okay. Stop loss was below this gap. TP. No, was it below this gap? No, it was below the 1 minute gap. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place. I just got home from the gym. I'm trying to record this shit because this shit's still pissing me off that I lost. So right here, I'm gonna fix this. Here's a 1-to-1. I got in a little bit lower. I got in right at 40. I remember I got in at 40. It was right at 40. Boom, right here, right at 40. So it was about a 1-to-1. My stop loss was right about this wick. I remember it was this gap right here. It was a 1-to-1. I remember I was talking a 1-to-1. We had tapped this 1 minute gap already, respected it. So I'm like, okay, cool. I was just waiting for this 5 minutes inverse, which it did. 5 minute inversion. Come on, bro. It's just pissing me off. I'm just getting mad just looking at this. Like, bro, this is like so unfortunate. So we inverse this 5 minute. Boom, pushed up. We made this 5 minute gap, but guys, y'all will not believe what happened. So as y'all see right here, I'm gonna go in and bar replay so I can show y'all. Right here, once we got in, right here, we got in. TP was here, break even. Y'all know, swing high. It could have been an early break even, but I feel like it was valid. This is my setup all the time that I take. Break even right here. So I got in on the 1 minute. Boom, got in. 5 minute inversion. Okay, we ended up pushing up. Boom. Okay, break even right there. And guys, like I kid you not, literally 2 points off my take profit. 2 points, 86 my take profit, 80, 83.75. So about 2 points, 2.5 points. And guys, literally after that, we just reversed back down and stopped me out on break even. Came down, stopped me out just like that. Stopped me out. 2 points from my take profit, stopped me out. And then we ended up tapping this 5 minute gap right here. And I was this close to like I was even saying in the trade, if we come down, like I would be willing to move my gap below these 2 minute gaps. We also did have 2 minute gaps. I was willing to move my stop, my break even stop up, right? Up to up to right here, so I can give it room. So just in case we do tap that 5 in these 2 minutes, we can expand up. And I was only doing this because I was so confident in longs, guys. Like today I was like, I'm only looking for longs. This looks very clean. There's like 8+ model, right? But I was like, no, because if I lose, I know I'm gonna be pissed, right? I'm gonna be pissed if I lose, especially as I move my break even down and I was wrong. On my stop loss down and I was wrong. I ended up getting stopped, right? I would have been pissed. So I was like, I'm not even gonna do it. But man, like right after this happened, we literally just flipped and went right back to my profit. Take profit in 2 candles or 3 candles. Just like that, guys. Like that's literally what happened. My first trade break even. It should have been a winning day, but I mean that's trading, guys. Like that. This is what pissed me off, and I feel like this is what made me like kind of not. I didn't revenge trade, but I took this next setup I took was dumb. So after this, it's going to keep playing. Right, we're pushing up slowly, and my target's still up here. Right, it's still up here at 693 previous day high. Right, so I was like, okay, I do think we're gonna go there. So it's going to skip. We move down, and then right here is my second entry, which was stupid, and I got stopped immediately. So I think this one I was just getting in to get in because I was like, bro, we're obviously gonna go here, right? We're not just showing no resistance. So I went long right here, or right here, this candle. We inverse this one. I try to front run it, right? Front run it. I thought we were gonna expand, keep expanding. So I try to get in early. Stop loss at right here, and as y'all see from this play already, it didn't work out. So I'm gonna skip, and I got stopped immediately. So this is my loss for today, and I was like, fuck, all right, it is what it is. And then I think my next trade, we kept going down. It was another long as well, and I got break even. So boom, keep playing. So we ended up dumping for a little bit. Okay, and was it? I don't remember which one it was, but I got break even. There was like equal highs. Let me see. We made equal highs somewhere. That's where I got in. Right here. So boom, right here. We made equal highs, and I think we even came down a type of 5-minute. I think, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yeah. So this 5-minute, boom, came back to this 5-minute again. I think it was even a 15-minute too as well. Skinny 15-minute. I remember this skinny 15-minute. We inversed it, but we're pushing back up, right? So I was still bullish. Yeah, we inversed this one. My break even was at these equal highs up here, and then my take profit, second trade, stop loss was below here for some room for the gap. My take profit was up here, right? So still, I'm not targeting previous day high. I'm just getting my profits and getting out, right? Even if I would have ended break even today, I would have been cool with it. But yeah, get on this inverse. Okay, boom, break even. So I went break even, and I ended up getting stopped, and then it ran, of course, again. So boom, we're still pushing up. I thought this shit was green, right? Come back down, and I get break even, and then what happens again? We run again. So yeah, guys, 2 break evens like that. We run straight to my take profit after stopping me out at break even. Like I said, I think this break even was valid as well. Maybe I could have waited for this swing high, but this is so close to take profit. I just wanted to get out, so. Yeah, guys, like that's literally what happened. 2 trades like this where I got break even and my break even spot. It could be early break even. It was only 10 points, but we also did have this gap protecting me as well, which I thought was gonna hold, and then we run, but it didn't. So I got break even there, stopped out, and then we end up going. So yeah, guys, that's literally trading for you. 2 trades like that. 1 loss. I mean, the second loss was kind of. I shouldn't have even taken that. It was like I was kind of in my emotions still from the loss. I'm from the break even that I should have won. And in fact, this one was a good trade as well. Came down, tapped the 5 and again 15. I was confident in longs and, great inversion, displaced. Okay. I thought this one was solid and my first trade was solid. It was just the second one that was kind of dumb. But yeah, that ended up playing. I think we ended up going all the way up to my original draw, which, yeah, previous day high. Let me see. Did we go? I'm pretty sure we did. Yeah, and then we went there. So my overall draw was today is just, man, my executions today were not good. Today should have been at minimum a break-even day. At minimum, it should have been a winning day for sure. A winning day, 100%. But yeah, I feel like me getting break-even on that first trade kind of fucked with my mental, fucked with my headspace, and I ended up taking that stupid trade on the second one, which ended up still playing as well. And then this third trade, I got break-even, which played again. So yeah, guys, I thought today was not that bad price action. Today was pretty solid. It's just, bro, like. That's trading for you guys. Like, there's nothing really I can do about that. Like 2 trades where I get break even and we run to my take profit. There's literally nothing I can do about that. So yeah, that's pretty much all I got for this video. Hopefully we'll bounce back tomorrow or the rest of this week. We still got a lot of week left. And price action's been moving. We've had news all week. We're gonna have news the rest of the week. So hopefully I'm able to make back this loss plus more. Just keep taking the best setup. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I got. Make sure I have it. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe. Make sure I go ahead and go follow my TikTok. I do be more active on there, so make sure you go follow that as well. And I'll see you on the next one.